Alright, this is going to be a quick video, hopefully. But what I want to do in this video is talk a little bit about figuring out shortages and surplus. So here we have a problem. It says the equilibrium price was a pair of jeans was 30. Okay, so I'm going to label this market. This is the market for jeans. Let's draw it out. Wow, I cannot draw right now. Equilibrium is 30. This is the price of fabric dropped. So what is that going to do to the market if the price of fabric dropped? So that means the price of fabric dropped. That means we can produce more jeans because it's cheaper. So our supply is going to increase. So this is our new supply. Okay, after this shock, but before any adjustment in market price. This is extremely important. It's before an adjustment in market price. Okay, so natural tendency is we just want to go straight back to the new equilibrium. We need to avoid doing that when figuring out shortages versus surplus. Okay, so if we follow the current equilibrium price and we draw the dotted line through, we see that it intersects with the new supply curve right here. Because it intersects with the supply curve right there, this is our new quantity supplied, okay, at the same price, at the old equilibrium price. And where's quantity demanded? Well, it's where it intersects with the demand curve, and it's still at the same spot on the demand curve. So your QD is right here. Okay, so which one's bigger? Quantity supplied or quantity demanded? Quantity supplied is bigger. So what does that mean? If your quantity supplied is greater than your quantity demanded, that means if our QS is greater than our QD, it means we have a surplus because there's more supply than demand. So then, great, we figured it out. And the same thing would be true if it was flipped. If there was a supply shock this way, then it would be a shortage, or sometimes there's a demand shock. And you just have to stay on the same price line, see where it intersects with the new supply or demand curve, and that will be your new respective quantity supplied or quantity demanded. Now, let's say once it adjusts, because sometimes it'll ask you after it adjusts, what happens to quantity supplied and quantity demanded? Well, after it adjusts, it's going to move to this new equilibrium spot. So what's going to happen to quantity supplied? It's going to go down. What's going to happen to quantity demanded? It's going to increase. They're both going to move to this new equilibrium quantity, which is quantity supplied and quantity demanded because they're equal to each other. Okay, hopefully this makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, Adam out.